Good afternoon. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce about myself. My name is Sujan Thapa. I am 22 years old. I am from Dharing, Nepal. I am single. I have a five member in my family. My education is plus two pass. My height 5.6 feet and weight 60 kg. I am physically fit and fine. I have a 2 years work 2 years of work experience of a factory worker in Nepal. Job and duties of factory worker is to loading and unloading goods, storing things, operating heavy machine, counting, packing, check inventory, delivery, etc. I want to come to Europe country of bright future also to develop my career on money to support my family. Will I will stay there. I will stay there for the long term, maybe 5 6 years. Thank you. Thank you.